right, Ms. Abrams,
Yes, Judge.
this is for a compliance hearing.
Yes, Judge. A supplemental report was submitted to the court late June, indicating that a field visit was conducted in April, and it appears that the no contact order with Savannah Gutierrez, they're actually residing together.
Well,
They are
husband and wife, I mean, married.
They are legally married, and they have a new child. Ms. Gutierrez and Ms. Longoria are listed on the child's birth certificate. She has been compliant with all of the other terms of her condition.
For clarification, Judge, they're not residing together. They, at one point, my client was residing at Ms. Gutierrez's grandparents' home, and assisting the grandparents. But at that time, Ms. Gutierrez, I understand, was living someplace else. They have had contact because of the children, Judge, but my understanding is that they haven't actually been living together. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, so according to your plea bargain agreement, you're not to have contact. That's your plea bargain agreement. That's what you signed for.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have a choice. You can continue to have contact with her, and then you're looking at potentially 20 years in the prison. But the agreement you made with the state in your plea bargain agreement is no contact.
Yes.
So,
And Judge, because of the children, we have filed a motion to modify conditions of community supervision, asking that they have contact. This was filed earlier today. I don't
have
know.
you conferred with the state?
I have not, Judge, no.
All right.
Just
So,
briefly as to the actual
okay.
review today. That was
All right. Well, you'll need to confer with the state because their plea bargain agreement is no contact.
I can do that.
All right.
Thank you. Just
Thank you. Joe Maria Ramos. Good morning. Hello. Okay, nobody told me the black memo.
Oh, yeah. We have your robe.
Okay, that'll count. Yeah, okay. All right.
Like your green shirt. So.
Oh, thank you. All right, today is his plea deadline date. So is this going to be a jury trial?
So, Judge, I will say that defense just last week gave me a couple hundred records of medical records that may actually have an extensive reason for me to change seeking PDC in this case. Since I just got it, I think Wednesday or Thursday, I haven't had a chance to review all of it. So I would ask just for a short reset so I can do that to see if that will in fact drastically change the offer the state's offering in this case.
All right.
We don't have a formal offer. We've never been extended a formal offer because we've just been working on mitigation, and we've gotten, like she said, we had provided a ton of medical history, social history, all kinds of employment history, all kinds of stuff to her.
We were waiting for a while because he was in competency court. He was found competent, but they provided me medical records of a different sort. And so I want to review those before I make that final decision on what I'm going to offer.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. Recall this in 2 weeks. There will be no further extensions.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. July 28th.
All right, July 28th. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
That's what that just to make it please.
No, that's plea deadline date.
You just
Thank you.
Judge Longoria, we conferred.
All right, just give me a moment.
Okay, but we should get each other.
Yeah, we
Okay.
plea and the documents.
I can't hear you.
Early, you said.
Okay, you said.
Yeah, early, you said.
Here they go. There's children. You want both of them?
Yes.
Give me a moment.
Walter Miranda.
Miranda.
Who's here on Walter Miranda?
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. He's
No.
not- They're still bringing him up, Judge. Yeah, he's not out. That's why I wasn't paying attention. Okay. Thank you, Judge. No, so long ago.
Simon Garza? Is this on the docket today?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Judge.
All right.
Sure. I'm going to my partner. Bring it to you.
Take care of it.
Rocco, are you going to be in Parker?
Yes.
Have you conferred with the state?
I have, Judge. This is a discovery setting. This is a very large case of pretty big manslaughter. There's a lot of discovery. We still are going through it. If we can have one more discovery setting to make
Do you
sure we
have all the
everything.
discovery?
I don't know at this point. I believe so. The state says they don't believe there's anything else that they're waiting for. But we're still working on going through everything.
All right, I need a 30-day reset for discovery.
What'd you say, Joe? 30 days?
30-day reset for discovery on Simon Garza.
And then Judge, I believe the state is not opposed to our motion to allow my client to go to church services on Sundays.
Which one?
He is not. I'm
One thing at a
sorry.
time.
I'm so sorry.
All right, can I see the state on Simon Garza?
Yes, good. Okay.
All right, I don't know what the manslaughter case is about, but the defense has filed this motion to amend conditions for church services.
Judge, the origins of the manslaughter are a car crash. The court already has the conditions of no driving on the defendant, and so given that fact, we would not have an objection to their motion as long as the defendant is not operating a motor vehicle.
All right, what church service only lasts for an hour? People need to find this church service.
Always when I was growing up, they were only an hour, Judge.
Oh my gosh, is that enough time to get the word? I don't think so. Mr. Simmons, what are they doing with 1 hour church service?
Oh, my God, it takes that long to pick up the offering in my case.
I mean, is the choir singing at all?
Absolutely. And Judge, his fiance, right? Girlfriend, fiance is going to be driving him to church.
All
So he
right.
will not be driving.
All right, don't tag her as a fiance. Maybe he doesn't want to tag as a fiance yet. I don't know.
Yeah, so we were looking at like common law marriage, so.
I don't understand people do common law marriage instead of just going to get married. What's the song? Meet me at the altar in your white dress. We're not doing anything else, so let's get married.
Yeah.
But okay, that's not a good reason just to get married, by the way.
Judge, I do have one additional thing if you have a minute. On Mr. Garza's case, there's been some confusion. We were here, we had a bond motion. You did rule or order that there would be partial GPS.
Yes.
The GPS have been giving him a hard time saying that he is on full house arrest. I have checked with the clerk several times. They didn't waive fees originally. We got that fixed, but they're still telling him that he's on full house arrest. So we just would
So
like to
who
make
is
that.
the pretrial services officer.
Do you know who your pretrial services officer is?
So Ortiz.
Ortiz, the first name? We sent it to you, didn't you?
Well, it says that he's allowed employment.
I understand.
So who is it?
It's something with an M. Marcelo Ortiz, maybe? Morelli Ortiz? I'm sorry, Judge, we'd have to look
All
at
right,
the
if
first
you all
name.
will find out who it is, then the court will take that up.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.